coffee slash beverage area where I make all of my drinks. And you see my hot water machine there, all of my syrups and my cinnamon and my cloves for my holiday drinks. But what I'm getting ready to do right now is fix me a smoothie. I bet you did not know that I was also a barista. One of my many talents. But I'm getting ready to make me a smoothie. I haven't had breakfast. I usually make a smoothie in the morning. A big old, like, I think it's like 64 ounces or so of smoothie that I drink from just vegetables and, fruits, and spinach is the only vegetables. But I also put coconut water in there because evidently I have some bad genes and we have high blood pressure in our family. So I just put my coconut water for my potassium and all of my fruits. But I'm gonna make a smoothie. Again, the weird angles, right? All right, hopefully that'll be it. But I'll move over here a little bit. Alright, I did find this at the dollar store, and sometimes I do buy my fruits from the dollar store, especially if I'm in a hurry. I keep them here because I don't have a lot of space here to keep a lot of stuff. I don't have a lot of refrigerator space. So I'm gonna taste this. That's not bad. This is a watermelon raspberry flavored coconut water. These are like this because if I buy them fresh and I don't eat them all, then I just freeze them. I like lots of blueberries. This a little bit. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna put this banana in there or not. They say to use these bananas. I've cooked with these type of bananas and banana bread before, but this one's a bit, I think it's past ripe and gone to rotten. I like to use ripe bananas in my smoothies because they bring out the sweetness, because most of the time, I don't know why, but the frozen fruits, they're not sweet. Well, I do know why, but anyway, they're not sweet. So I'll use some of this banana. Spinach also has potassium in it, so I try to put that in mine. Spinach is also protein, so instead of me putting you know, using like protein, the whey protein and all of that stuff. I just use spinach, that way I know what's in it. This banana has seen better days. It's just gonna make it really sweet, that's all. I'm gonna be bold and use it all. But this didn't need. That sounds like a good smoothie. I'm gonna pour some of this out actually. Okay, this is what I can't understand. I have a ton of these things. Well, this is actually not even a smoothie glass. You can probably guess what it is, but I have a ton of these things, or a ton of smoothie cups. But when it comes time to use one, I can't never find one. So, or they're at home. So I have a ton, so I can have some here and some home. And somehow they all end up in one place, like at home when I need them here, or here when I need them at home. So I'm gonna use this, which is actually a mixer cup, but hey, this is my life. Put some mangoes in there, because I want some more frozen in there. Like I said, this is breakfast. And this is also, ladies, if you want to know a way to take some inches from around your waistline, instead of eating those potatoes and sausage and toast for breakfast. Do that one more time. Bothered my blender enough. Alrighty, so okay, that looks good and combined. I don't really like it to be liquidy. I really do like it to be kind of frozen. Goes down easier. I have my long, thick straws here, and let's see what we have. Okay, now that's good. All right, I could have used some more cinnamon, but okay. It is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is have my smoothie. I have to go. Actually, I'm gonna take you with me. We're gonna go and print off all of the packing slips. I'm going to turn my music back on because it's kind of dead in here. But print the packing slips so that I can start pulling my orders. That's pretty good. Actually, I have enough so that I can clean this. set this in the freezer and clean this cup off, because I'm sure you know, if you let it sit too long, it's not good. Just pour this in there and wish it around a little bit. See, finish the bottle. I usually do this every day because I have bad genes, y'all. And no matter how much I eat pretty good. I haven't had fried chicken in I don't know how long, but it's in my genes, so there's nothing I can do about that, but try to change it a little bit with my diet and exercise. All right, I'm gonna wash this, sanitize it, and then we'll be in my office.